Did you know that in the past year alone, YouTube generated over $32 billion in advertising revenue? That's billion, with a B. This massive number proves one thing. The content creation industry on social media platforms is exploding faster than ever before. But here's the real question that most people are asking. How can you, someone who's maybe never made a video before, someone who doesn't want to show their face, claim a piece of this market? But the reality has changed. With the power of artificial intelligence, you can now build anonymous YouTube channels that generate $2,000 to $10,000 per month without ever stepping in front of a camera. Welcome to QVid Make Money Online. I'm here to show you how to build an automated money-making machine from anonymous YouTube channels with AI support. This isn't an inspirational pep talk. This is your roadmap for building a YouTube business in the future. In the next 18 minutes, I'm not just going to tell you about the potential, I'm going to give you a detailed learning and implementation roadmap so you don't get lost in the ocean of information out there. Have you ever asked yourself, why is right now the perfect time to start? If you haven't, let me show you. Let's rewind 10 years. Back then, building a professional, systematic YouTube channel required a massive team and bulky equipment. Think about it. You needed a cameraman, or at least an expensive camera setup. Professional lighting that cost hundreds or thousands of dollars. A good microphone, editing software, maybe even a studio space. An editor who knew what they were doing. A script writer if you wanted quality content. And most importantly, time. Hours and hours of your personal time filming and appearing on camera. The total investment? We're talking $3,000 to $5,000 minimum just to look semi-professional. And that's before you even published your first video. But beyond money, there was another cost. You had to be the face. Your neighbors would recognize you. Your boss might have opinions. Your family would see everything. Every mistake, every awkward moment, all tied to your personal identity. But in this era where technology and artificial intelligence are developing at lightning speed, everything has fundamentally changed. AI can now handle over 90% of the workload for you. Let me say that again because it's important. 90%. Here's what that actually means in practice. AI writes your scripts. You give it a topic and an angle, and it produces a full script in minutes, something that used to take hours of staring at a blank page. AI generates voiceovers. No need to record your own voice or hire voice actors. AI voices now sound natural, professional, and engaging. You can choose from hundreds of voices in different accents and styles. AI edits your videos. Tools can now automatically sync footage to your script, add captions, suggest cuts, and even select background music that matches your content's mood. So what do you do with the other 10%? You make the strategic decisions. You're the curator, the decision maker, the architect of this machine. You choose which ideas have potential. You add the unique perspective that AI can't replicate. You optimize based on what the data is telling you. And the result of this transformation? You only need to spend about 1 to 2 hours per day to operate an automated money-making machine. We call this the 90/10 strategy. Even if you've never had an idea or any experience before, AI tools will support you from planning, choosing a niche, all the way to creating high-quality videos that help your channel grow rapidly. Let me give you a real example of what this looks like. Traditional Creators Monday, 7 a.m. Wake up, shower, get camera ready. 8 a.m. Set up lighting, camera, microphone. 9 a.m., 11 a.m. Film one video, multiple takes, mistakes, redos. 11 a.m., 12 p.m. Clean up, tear down setup. 1 p.m., 6 p.m. Edit footage, color correction, audio mixing. Total time, 8 to 9 hours for one video. Your Monday with AI. 9 a.m. AI generates 5 video ideas based on trending topics, 15 minutes. 9:15 a.m. You select the best one and AI writes the script, 30 minutes to review and adjust. 9:45 a.m. AI generates the voiceover, 5 minutes. 10 a.m. You gather stock footage or AI-generated visuals, 20 minutes. 10:20 a.m. AI helps edit. You fine-tune 45 minutes. Total time, about 2 hours for one video, and nobody knows it's you. Can you see the difference? You're getting your time back, your privacy back, your freedom back, and you're still building a real business. But I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true. What's the catch? Let me be completely honest with you. Here's the truth. This knowledge isn't magic. It only works if you commit to applying it. The difference between people who succeed on YouTube and people who just watch videos about YouTube: action. Golden rule. When you finish learning something, practice it immediately. Don't just watch videos and then close your laptop. Stop and do it right away, from creating your channel to making your first video. I've seen thousands of people go through this process, and I can tell you with certainty, the ones who complete the practical exercises before moving to the next lesson are the ones who achieve breakthrough success. The ones who don't, they stay stuck at mediocre results. Every video you upload is a clear step toward your goal of generating significant income. Don't wait for perfection before you start, because beginning is the key to success. To go far on this journey, you must follow the right order. Don't skip steps to avoid getting confused. Our roadmap consists of 3 main pillars. Pillar 1, Foundation, the YouTube AI Income Blueprint. This is your core foundation. You'll learn the mindset, the standard processes, and how to build a sustainable income system instead of just making videos based on feelings or guesses. Here's what you'll master. Understanding the business model. YouTube isn't just about making videos. It's about building a content business. You need to understand how YouTube pays creators, what makes a video profitable, and how to build a system that generates consistent income. The 90/10ths framework in detail. You'll learn exactly which 90% of tasks you should delegate to AI and which 10% you must handle yourself. This distinction is crucial because it's the difference between working 10 hours per video and working 2 hours per video. Setting up your production system. We'll build your content factory from the ground up. What tools you need, how to organize your workflow, and how to create standard operating procedures so you're not reinventing the wheel every time. Understanding analytics that matter. Not all metrics are created equal. You'll learn which numbers actually predict success and which ones are just vanity metrics that waste your time. Pillar 2, Smart Niche Selection. This is where most people fail, so pay close attention. We provide documentation on 100 hot niche topics with the highest RPM. Let me explain RPM because it's critical. RPM stands for Revenue Per Meal, or Revenue Per 1,000 Views. It's literally the amount of money you receive for every 1,000 views on your videos. Choosing the right niche helps you make money efficiently and avoids falling into dead niches that waste your effort without generating profit. Here's why this matters so much. Let's say you get 100,000 views on a video about toy reviews. With a low RPM niche like that, you might earn $50 100. But if you get the same 100,000 views on a video about personal finance or business software, you could earn $500, $1,000, or more because advertisers pay more to reach those audiences. Same views, 10x the income. That's the power of choosing the right niche. When evaluating niches, you'll learn to ask these questions. Does this niche have commercial value? Are businesses willing to pay high advertising costs to reach this audience? Is there consistent search demand? You want evergreen content that people search for year-round, not just trending topics that die after a week? Can you produce content sustainably? Some niches require expensive equipment or rare expertise. We focus on niches where AI can help you create quality content consistently. Is the competition manageable? You don't want to enter a niche where every video needs a $10,000 production budget to compete. The unfair advantage. We've already done the research for you. Our 100 niche list includes current RPM rates for each niche, estimated competition level, content formats that work best, example channels you can study, AI tools that work particularly well for that niche. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting with a data-driven shortlist.